Hey besties, in today's video I am going to be counting my sinking funds for the month of November. So I'm going to see how much was put in, how much was taken out, and what our ending balance is. If that's something that you're here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. So we know the last time I tried to do this, I 100%, I totally failed. So I think I'm gonna do better this time because I did watch some videos and then you guys gave me some suggestions on what to do. So I think this time will be a much better sinking funds update. I've already put some of I've already put the categories that we're going to be checking, and then I've already put the amount. On some of these the amount is a bit wrong because the sheet that I had last week was definitely, or last month rather, was not right. So I'm just gonna put this off to the side and we're gonna start with this envelope or this wallet. Nope, it's not even wallet. I'm gonna start with this binder first. And if you are new here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really encourage that you subscribe to the channel if this is the type of content that you enjoy. And if you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. All right, let's hop into it. So this is the savings envelope. I was able to deposit the money into the bank, and let's see what we have. We started out with $1,100, and I believe that I added, so I think that's what I was supposed to put here too, like how much I added. Let's see how much I have total. So 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 200, 250, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So $1,280 is the balance. So there was a total of $180 that was added for this pay period. Next is HOA. And HOA, I have 100, 200, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So 266. And HOA is, so 133 was added. Now I am going to need to do, I'm going to need to take some money out because I need to pay some bills, and HOA is one of them that I need to pay. So I probably should have did a unstuffing and then, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. So car maintenance has 20, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. So $20 was added. Next is car registration. 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. So let's see. 68 minus 24, so $44 was added. And then next is trash. I don't think I added anything this month. I may have only added a little bit. Let's see. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. $113. So that's 113 minus 94. So $19 was added. And I am going to need to unstuff this envelope as well because my trash bill is pretty much due. Car wash. Car wash is $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. So $10 was added to car wash. Giveaway, nothing was added. We still have nothing. Rewards, nothing was added. We still have nothing. Debt, it says 186 is what I started out with. I don't think so, but I have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So this is, what is this, 290? Yes. So let's see. So it's 104. I definitely know that I started out with 0 because, yeah, I started out with 0 basically. So Costco, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this was $10 added? Yes. $10 added for Costco. And then next is AAA. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75. So $30 was added. And that is it for this binder. Next up is this binder here. Hairstylist 0 and a 0. And hair is 0. Nail shop 136 was taken out and we are with 0. Let's look at skincare. 20, 30, 40. So $20 was added. And then cleaners. Let's see what we have in here. 20, 40, 60 in cleaners. $20 was added. Next is medical. And medical has 5, 10, 15, 20. So $10 was added. And then home maintenance. I believe the home maintenance is in here, actually. Home maintenance is $40. So that was $20 that was added. And then mortgage, $200 was added. And $200 is the ending balance. So this is the total. Let's see total how much I have in sinking funds. So it's $2,555 that I have in cash. This is really cool to see because, you know, if anything were to happen, like let's say I was just like, you know, like something is happening, then I would be able to pull this money to do whatever. First of all, what? I am so sorry, you guys. I don't know if I like start daydreaming in the middle of my sentence, but what I was trying to say is, in the event that I have an emergency that is over and above the emergency fund that I already have saved, I have my sinking funds that I would just be able to pull this money from if I just had like a dire emergency and I needed more money. That's what I was trying to say, but somehow I didn't get that out. But yes, back to the video. Let's see what I started with. And then 136. Let's see if we get 255. So we got 1871 plus 820 minus 136. 2555. Hey, we did that good. Now, here is my next dilemma. I need to take some money out of these because I need to deposit it in the bank. So what am I supposed to do at that point? Because when I start my sinking funds for next month, I'm not going to start with this because some of these I need to take money out of. So should I have taken the money out first? I think I should have did that. I think I should have took the money out first and then did a month end. So at least I know next time to do that. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna unstuff the cash that I need to go back into the bank. And then next month I'll do it that way. I'll unstuff first and then I'll do a sinking funds month end. I really need to watch some people who like does this. So I know for my mortgage, I need to take that out. For my HOA, I need to take out everything in here because this is how much my mortgage is. 260. I mean, my HOA is 266. And then I need to take out, let's see. I need to take out debt. And I'm going to take everything out of debt. So I can make my debt payment, my debt snowball payment at the end of the month. Oh, whoops. I got this money all mixed up here. 5 and the 1s are here. Don't have our money the same, pointing the same way. And then, so let's see. And then trash, I need to take trash out because I am going to be paying my trash bill. Where's trash? Right here. And so that's everything that I needed to take money out for. And let's count how much money I just took out. All right, so let's see how much money is going back to the bank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So $869 will be going back to the bank. And this is so that I can pay bills. If you have made it this far in the video, I will be announcing the giveaway winner from the A Daily Dose of Budget Treasures series that we just completed. But then I also wanted to let you guys know why I had you enter in the emoji for each day. The first day I had you enter in a diamond. And what does a diamond represent? Diamonds are made under pressure, and a diamond earns its sparkle from the pressure it endures. Diamonds know their value. Second day I had you enter a plant. Don't judge each day by the harvest that you reap, but by the seeds that you sow. Always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Third day I had you enter in the champion, the winner. And you guys all know this one. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Winners embrace hard work. And the next day I had you enter in the strong muscle emoji. The great Oprah Winfrey said, where there is no struggle, there is no strength. And then the last day I had you guys enter in the marathon flag. And if you can just know, the great Nipsey Hussle says, stick to the script. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Build it brick by brick, one brick at a time. The most important thing, number one, is to get rid of doubt. Keep going, besties. No matter what you endure, no matter what setback, what heartache, what savings didn't happen, what debt payment didn't happen, what budget didn't follow, do your very best with what you have at the time. And you are in this race with you and you alone. So I am always rooting for you. I am always giving you kudos, because you fall down 7 times and you what? You get up 8. All right, guys. So thank you for listening to that little tidbit. I just wanted to encourage you guys for the end of the year, going into 2014, or no, not 2014, going into 2024. I'm excited and I am anticipating good things to happen. So the winner for the giveaway is Rebecca Hubbard, 3817. I want to say congratulations. Thank you for rocking with me every single video. You and I had some great chats, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for your support. And oh, what did you win? You have won a $25 Amazon gift card for you to go do some Christmas shopping for yourself. So please message me on Instagram. And I hope that you have Instagram. If you don't, we'll talk it up in the chat. All right, guys, back to the video. That is it for this video. I want to say once again, congratulations to the winner for the giveaway for the A Daily Dose of Budget Treasures, a series that I did this month. And I just want to say thank you to everyone for your support. I really, really genuinely appreciate it. I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.